How to protect your retirement savings from inflation with 401k to Gold IRA rollover. Inflation means prices of things go up over time, which can eat into your retirement savings. Why gold matters: gold keeps its value over time, unlike regular money that can lose value due to inflation. The 401k to Gold IRA move: people are moving their retirement savings from regular accounts to Gold IRAs to protect against inflation. Benefits of Gold IRA. 1. Protection from inflation: gold helps keep your savings safe from losing value. 2. Diversification: gold is different from stocks and bonds, so it helps spread out risk. 3. Stability in uncertain times: gold stays valuable even when the economy is shaky. How to do the move. 1. Research: find a trusted company that helps with Gold IRAs. 2. Start the process: talk to your current retirement account manager. 3. Pick a custodian: choose a company to manage your Gold IRA. 4. Move money: put some of your retirement savings into the new Gold IRA. 5. Buy gold: use the new account to buy gold that's approved by the IRS. 6. Keep an eye on things: stay in touch with the company managing your Gold IRA to make sure everything's going well. With inflation and economic uncertainty, moving retirement savings to a Gold IRA can help keep your money safe and secure for the future. Free Gold IRA Guide: get this guide to learn all about it. Request the Gold IRA Guide that persuaded Hall of Fame quarterback Joe Montana to diversify his retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.